guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a stationery haul brought to you by JIANWU, an AliExpress store, and you can use the code JIANWUM for 10% off. JIANWU sells tons of affordable stationery and they have tons of items to choose from, and the shipping is super cheap along with the items, so be sure to check it out in the description. So first we got Zebra Sarasa gel pens in colors I didn't have yet. These are my favorite gel pens in the world, the absolute favorite. I don't know what I would do without them. They come in tons of colors, I think like over 20 of them, not to mention they're all super smooth. They don't have like that scratchy effect with other pens you might get, so I definitely recommend these. Not to mention the black gel pen is my favorite and I use it basically on most of my notes. The next item is the Pilot Hi-Tec-C pen in 0.5. I already have them in like 0.4 and 0.3, but it's a great needle tip pen, so I decided I want the 0.5, and they're also super smooth. It's another great gel pen. So next is the Zebra Blen ballpoint pen. Usually I'm not a big fan of ballpoint pens, however this specific ballpoint pen was kind of different than the rest and it was super smooth and there wasn't really much of a scratchy effect, although it's not really a 0.5mm as you can see compared to the Pilot. Next are the Tombow Mono mechanical pencils. These are the absolute best mechanical pencils I've found out there, and they have like this cool shaker technology. I don't know what it means, but like it just looks really cool and interesting. I've had these before and they're just amazing, and here's a swatch. It's not really a swatch, just of the pencil lead. It really depends on what pencil lead you use. Next is one Tombow dual tip brush pen. I didn't really have this color and I was like, okay, let me just buy this color, and it looks pretty nice. It's a nice dark blue. I've linked everything down in the description if you are interested though. Here are two types of washi tapes. So the first one is like this scenery washi tape. It's blue, it has mountains, it's a really nice pattern. I just thought the design of the washi tape was really pretty, so I decided to buy it. And then next we have vintage washi tape. I thought this would be really nice for scrapbooking because it has like maps and all that stuff. So here are just some swatches of the tape. And then here is the scrapbooking type one, and it is really nice. It's semi-translucent. Here are the Milkliner Highlighters, and I wanted to try these out because you guys have told me to test them out to see if they're good Mildliner dupes. It literally functions like a normal highlighter. The ink flow is good, it's not dried out, but the colors are a bit lighter than the normal Mildliners, which I'll be comparing to next so you can see how it is. And so next up I got Zebra Mildliners, and I'm just gonna swatch these next to the Milkliner so you guys can see how it compares. So some of the colors are really similar, but as you can see, I tried my best to find a similar color to each. Two of the colors were really similar, as you can see. So these two were basically the same as the light turquoise Mildliner, very similar, so I just swatched them the same. And then here I by accidentally made a mistake, so the ones on the second are the actual colors. And here is the final overview. Next, I wanted to compare the tips of the Milkliner, and here it is. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a straight edge and then it has a bullet point compared to the Mildliner. I don't know how to explain this either, and it has like a very pointed tip. Okay, next we have Kokuyo Campus loose leaf paper, which is the paper I've been using the entire video, and it's super smooth and it fits inside A5 binders if you have one, but otherwise it's just a really nice graph paper. And then lastly we have this long sticker, and I got this because I thought it was really nice art, but I also wanted to hang it up in my desk. So that's the end of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching.